राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वकनमस्काराः. Welcome to class 79 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. So I had sent an email today, and as you all know, we have completed learning Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogaha, that is the 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita in the previous session. So today we are going to have a quick revision, Punaravartanam, by chanting the verses, and you will also have an opportunity to chant individually. I see that some of you have already raised your hands, so I will call out your names, and once I call out your name, please unmute immediately because we'll be saving some time. We have a lot of attendees who want to chant, and we just have an hour. So for giving opportunity for maximum number of you, so please just unmute as soon as I call out your name. That will save some time for the others. And before I begin, I apologize that I haven't been able to reply to some of the emails which I received this week and last week. I will be doing so. In case you've sent me an email and I haven't replied, please do send me a reminder email, forward the same email to me. I wouldn't mind because sometimes I might have missed replying to some of your emails. The ones from this week and last week, I will be replying soon in the next 1 or 2 days. Let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। ॐ श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मने नमः। अथ षोडशोऽध्यायः दैवासुरसम्पद्विभागयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानन्दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायस्तप आर्जवम् अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधः त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दया भूतेष्वलो लुप्त्वम् मार्दवम् ह्रीरचापलम् तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदम् दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानम् चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम् दैवी सम्पद्विमोक्षाय निबन्धायासुरीमता मा शुचः सम्पदम् दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव द्वौ भूतसर्गौ लोकेऽस्मिन् दैव आसुर एव च दैवो विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः आसुरं पार्थ मे शृणु प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च जनान विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते असत्यमप्रतिष्ठन्ते जगदाहुरनीश्वरम् अपरस्परसम्भूतम् किमन्यत् कामहैतुकम् एतान् दृष्टिमवष्टभ्य नष्टात्मानोऽल्पबुद्धयः प्रभवन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरम् दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहात् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः चिन्तामपरिमेयाञ्च प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः कामोपभोगपरमाः एतावदिति निश्चिताः आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान् इदमद्य मया लब्धम् इमं प्राप्स्ये मनोरथम् इदमस्तीदमपि मे भविष्यति पुनर्धनम् असौ मया हतः शत्रुः हनिष्ये चापरानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी आढ्योऽभिजनवानस्मि कोऽन्योऽस्ति सदृशो मया यक्ष्ये दास्यामि मोदिष्ये इत्यज्ञानविमोहिताः अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च आत्मसम्भावितास्तब्धाः धनमानमदान्विताः यजन्ते नाम यज्ञैस्ते दम्भेनाविधिपूर्वकम् अहङ्कारं बलं दर्पं कामं क्रोधं च संश्रिताः मामात्मपरदेहेषु प्रद्विषन्तोऽभ्यसूयकाः तानहं द्विषतः क्रूरान् संसारेषु नराधमान् क्षिपां यजस्रमशुभान् आसुरीष्वेव योनिषु आसुरीं योनिमापन्नाः मूढा जन्मनि जन्मनि मामप्राप्यैव कौन्तेय ततो यान्त्यधमां गतिम् त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारन्नाशनमात्मनः कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत्त्रयं त्यजेत् एतैर्विमुक्तः कौन्तेय तमोद्वारैस्त्रिभिर्नरः आचरत्यात्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति परां गतिम् यः शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम् तस्माच्छास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे दैवासुरसम्पद्विभागयोगो नाम षोडशोऽध्यायः. This is the 16th chapter. As you all know, and as I had explained to you in the beginning, it is called Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga. That is the chapter or the yoga which differentiates between Daivi Sampad and Asuri Sampad. That is the qualities which pertain to the divine aspects and the Asuri Sampad, or the base qualities, or the qualities which pertain to the demonic tendencies. And of course we won't have time to go through the meaning in detail for each verse. Please, all of you, go through the meaning. It is a wonderful chapter. So Bhagavan starts by describing the divine qualities like fearlessness, abhayam, purity, sacrifice. Swadhyaya is daily study or continuous study of the scriptures. Arjavam, adanam, charity. Damaha means control of the senses. Yajnaha, sacrifice or renunciation. So there are a lot of these. Tapaha is penance. So a lot of these qualities Bhagavan describes, like ahimsa is non-violence in thought, word and deed. Satyam is truth. Akrodhaha. So this is one quality Bhagavan repeats many times here. He says akrodhaha is absence of anger. And if you see in when he describes the Asuri Sampat, the demonic tendencies, Bhagavan mentions krodhaha more than once. He mentions, so anger is one of the demonic tendencies. Then in this second verse he also says tyagaha, that is sacrifice. Shantihi, that is peace. Sarva bhuteshu daya. Bhuteshu daya means compassion towards beings, towards all beings is implied here. So these are some of the qualities pertaining to the divine aspects. Tejaha, bold, the quality of being bold. Kshama is forgiving, and Shaucham is again purity. Adrohaha means not hating anyone, etc. And then he says, he has already described these divine qualities in detail. For example, if you refer to the 13th chapter, Bhagavan, continuously in the verses, he speaks of amanitvam, adambhitvam, ahimsa. Many times he mentions ahimsa, non-violence. Kshantihi, arjavam, acharyopasanam, shaucham, stairyam, atmavinigraha. So multiple times Bhagavan has mentioned each of these qualities, and therefore in this chapter he briefly describes what are the demonic qualities also. So why does Bhagavan repeat some of these qualities like ahimsa, shantihi, tyagaha, all these multiple times? Because these are, I mean, even though we keep listening to them, to inculcate them, we need continuous practice and continuously telling us about these qualities, listening to these qualities, trying to internalize them. For example, not the quality of not being angry at all, akrodhaha. So that comes by continuous practice. Like Bhagavan says, abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. Abhyasa, again and again trying to practice them for a long period of time. So to reinforce the importance of these qualities, Bhagavan mentions them in multiple chapters. Even in the 12th chapter, he discusses some of these divine qualities and says, such bhaktas are dear to me. So these are the qualities which lead to liberation, Daivi Sampat Vimokshaya. So by trying to inculcate the divine qualities, it leads to liberation. Asuri Mata, that is Asuri Nibandhaya. So the demonic qualities, they lead to bondage. And therefore, as human beings, it is our duty to try and inculcate all these divine qualities which lead us to the path of self-realization. And also the importance of this chapter is, if you see, when Bhagavan says Asuri Sampat, demonic tendencies, it's not like you have one set of humans who are devas, another set who are asuras, not like that. I mean, these demonic tendencies we can identify in our own selves. So when he refers to beings having these qualities of like anger, lust, pride, ego, just to give you a few examples which Bhagavan has described in this chapter. So you can identify these and try to overcome them, again by continuous practice and by surrendering to a guru and Bhagavan. So here in this verse, 7th verse, Bhagavan is saying those with demonic tendencies, they do not know what has to be done, what should not be done. Pravrittincha nivrittincha na viduhu asuraha. So they do not know what should be done, what should not be done, and they do not have purity. Na shaucham, na acharaha, no good conduct. Na satyam, do not have truth. Teshu vidyate. So then he describes how they're full of lust, greed, and mada and ahankara, that is ego, pride, etc. And we don't have time to go through everything, but because I didn't explain during when we are learning the verses, I thought I will give you a brief gist here. So for example, here he says ahankaram, that is ego, balam is power, darpam is again pride, kamam, krodham, lust, anger. So all these they belong to the Asuri Sampat. And this verse, he says, Trividham Narakasyedam. There are 3 qualities which lead to one's downfall or one's destruction. What are they? Kamaha, lust, Krodhaha, anger, and Lobhaha. So these 3 are greed. Lobhaha is greed. So these 3 are the qualities which lead to one's destruction. Tasmat, therefore, etatrayam tyaje. These 3 qualities have to be overcome. They have to be given up. One has to conquer these internal enemies. So this is a brief gist. Now we will start with the individual chanting. I will start calling out the names. So I'm calling out in the order in which it is appearing on my screen so that I don't miss any names. And as usual, in case I miss calling out any names, and if you have raised your hand, you can always tell me at the end and I will call out your names. Gayatri Ramachandran Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Bhagini. Could we start?
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Shodashodhyayah Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogaha.
Yes, next, first verse.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Danandamascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one observation throughout, your Mahapranas should be clearer. Abhayam, Sattva Samshuddhihi, here Vyavasthitihi, Swadhyayah. So the Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini. Otherwise, it was good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
KVSS Iyer Mahodayah. Kripaya unmute karotu. KVSS Iyer Mahodaya, please. Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste Mahodaya. Thank you very much for your email. I will reply to it soon. Thank you very much.
Madam, it is really amazing. I do not know Sanskrit, but your inspiration level is very high.
Thank you so much, Mahodaya. And I'm really blessed to be having great scholars like you and the elders like you in this webinar.
I am sure the Sanskrit is a big problem for me, but you have made it so easy. I feel like not missing any class.
Okay, okay, great. That's a great blessing, like to have you in our class.
Shall I memorize? Yes. Can I try memorizing?
Yes, you could. Which shloka would you like to chant? Second one is okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is here.
Yeah.
Ahimsa.
Satyam.
Ahimsa Satyam Akrodham.
Akrodhaha.
Ahimsa Satyam Akrodhaha Tyaga Shanti Apaishunam. Daya Bhudeshwa Lolvatvam Bhudeshwa Lolvatvam Mardavam Hirachapalam.
Hirachapalam.
My memory record is very bad.
No problem at all. The fact that you are learning itself is
I am
great.
reading now.
Tyagaha Shantirapaishunam. We chant together as Tyaga Shantirapaishunam.
Yeah.
Dhanyavadaha
Tyaga
Mahodaya.
Shantirapaishunam.
Yes, just for your reference, I will request one of our panelists to just chant this. Ishu, could you chant this verse, please? Ishu, please unmute and chant this verse.
Ahimsa Satyam Tyaga Shantirapaishunam Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam Mardavam Hirachapalam.
Uttamam. Dhanyavada Ishu. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Nandana Nair Bhagini. Next verse.
Two seekers would like to chant. First, Nandana Nair.
Yes.
Tejaha Kshama Dhriti Shaucham Adroho Natimanita Bhavanti Sampadan Daivim Abhijatasya Bharata.
Uttamam. Very well chanted. And I'm very happy you chanted Tejaha Kshama. All of you please note the visarga followed by ksha is always chanted completely. The visarga is chanted fully. Tejaha kshama. She chanted it perfectly.
Happy
Next.
to say daily morning 3 sloga and evening 3 sloga regularly she is chanting, so picking up actually.
Very
happy
good.
you are
Wonderful. Which class is she in? What is she studying?
Fourth standard.
Fourth.
Fourth
She's
standard.
in fourth
Uttama.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadah. Uttamam. Uttamam.
Shall I
This
chant?
was- Yes, yes.
This one, fourth one. Huh?
Yes.
Fourth one. Okay.
Yes, both verse. Yes, both.
दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थः सम्पदमासुरीम्.
Yeah,
Namo Namaः.
here Mahodaya, we don't chant it as Parthas Sampadam. There is no like extra s there. There is no Samyukta Akshara. Partha Sampadamasurim.
Partha Sampadamasurim.
That's right. Uttama. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Next, Geeta Ashok Bhagini. Next one. Please unmute. Geeta Ashok Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram
Yes.
Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Daivi sampat vimokshaya nibandaya surimata
Maya Surimata.
nibandaya surimata mashu chas sampatan daivim abhijadosi pandava.
Uttamam Bhagini. Please note the Mahapranas more clearly, otherwise it was good. Nirmala Parthasarathi Bhagini, next one.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Dvaibhuta sargau lokesmin.
Not Dvai Bhagini, Dvau.
Sorry.
problem.
Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin. Daiva asura eva cha. Daivo vistarasya proktaha. Asuram parthameva me shrunu.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
So please note the difference between I and Au, all of you. Don't get confused, please. Mahalakshmi Balaji Bhagini, next one. Please unmute.
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste.
नमस्ते भगिनी। प्रवृत्तिञ्च निवृत्तिञ्च जनान विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते।
Uttamam Bhagini.
धन्यवादः।
Dhanyavadaha. A.S. Swaminathan Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
असत्यमप्रदिष्टन्ते जगदाहुरनीश्वरम्
Jagadahuranishwaram. It is not who, it is who. Jagadahuranishwaram.
Ram Ram Ram. असत्यमप्रदिष्टन्ते जगदाहुरनीश्वरम् अपरस्परसम्भूतम् किमन्यत् कामहैतुकम्.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Again, Mahapranas, please pay more attention. Asatyam apratishthante. So the Mahapranas should be clearer. That's one common observation for all of you. Lakshmi Raghavan Bhagini, please unmute.
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste.
एतां दृष्टिमवष्टभ्य नष्टात्मानोऽल्पबुद्धयः प्रभवन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः।
Uttamam Bhagini. Chanted well.
धन्यवाद।
Prabhavan Pratyugra bha. If it is clearer, that would be better. Otherwise, very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Jayanti SM Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहात् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Radha Rammohan Bhagini, next one.
Namaste, madam. Namaste.
Namaste.
चिन्तामपरिमेयाञ्च प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः कामोपभोगपरमाः एतावदिति निश्चिताः.
Uttamam Bhagini.
Thank you, madam.
Very Prasanna Manikantan Mahodayah.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Oh, Namaste Bhagini.
आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Vasudeva Kamat Mahodayah. Please unmute. Vasudeva Kamat Mahodayah, please unmute.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Idammadya maya labdham imam prapshe manoratham idamasti idamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Saurabh Mahodayah. Saurabh SL.
राम राम राम.
असौ मया हतः शत्रुः हनिष्ये चापरानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी.
Dhanyavadaha. Here Hataha Shatruhu we chant together as Hatash Shatruhu, and Hanishye. It is not Hanishye, it is Hanishye. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. These two observations. Next one, N. Chandrasekharan Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Audio bit Janavanasmi. Konyosti Sadrisho Maya Yakshe Dasyami Modishe Vityajnana Vimohitaha.
Okay, so here it is Modishye. Some books it might be given as Modishya, I think, combining the Sandhi. While we split, we chant it as Modishye. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next one, Anil Khera Mahodaya. Next verse.
Namaskar Bhagini.
Namaste.
First time I am chanting.
Oh, no problem at all. Please chant.
अनेक चित्त विभ्रांताः मोहजाल समावृताः प्रसक्ता काम भोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु चौ.
Few things here. Very good for a first timer. Mohajala samavritaha. It's not bra. It is not brataha. It is samavritaha. And britaha, samavritaha. Prasaktah kama bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chau.
Patanti narakeshu chau.
We don't prolong patanti. Patanti narakeshu chau.
Patanti narakeshu chau.
Maybe if you listen to the recording, it will be clearer. narake. So we don't chant it as narke. R is not half, it is full. So narake. So that you should, once you listen to the recording, it will be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Anuradha Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am. Atma Sambha. Ram, ma'am.
Ram, please.
Atma Sambhavita Stabdhaha Dhanamanamadhanvitaha Yajante Nama Yajnaiste Dambhena Vidhipurvakam.
Bhagini, your Mahapranas were very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Bhuvaneshwari A.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodham cha samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pradvishantobhyasuyakaha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Brinda Shekhar Bhagini. Please unmute Brinda Shekhar Bhagini.
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Yes, Ram Bhagini.
Yeah, Ram. You're two of you, is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tanaham dvishada kruran samsareshu naradhaman kshipam yajastra mashubhan asurishveva yonishu.
Yeah, here we do not split it as Kshipam Yajasram Ashubhan, we chant it together. Kshipam Yajasram Ashubhan. That's the only observation, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next verse.
Ram.
Yes, I'll do it. Yes.
Ta asurim yonimha pannaha mudha janmani mamah prapyaiva kaunteya tato yantyadhamam gatim.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Uttamam. Next, Darsh Ravi Mahodayaha.
Trividham narakasyedam dvaram nashana matmanah kamah krodha sthatha lobhah tasmadettatrayan tyajet.
Okay, so here Kamah Krodhastatha Lobhah. So that there is no splitting. Of Krodhastatha we chant together. Kamah Krodhastatha Lobhah Tasmade Tatrayan Tyajet. Okay, more fluency.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Next, Hema Subramanian Bhagini, next verse. Hema Subramanian Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Which one Bhagini? 20th?
No, 22nd.
22nd. Yetai vimuktaunteya tamodvaraisdribhirnarah acharatyatmanah shreyah tato yati parangatim.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Lakshman Mahodayaha. Lakshman Desetti Mahodayaha.
Namaste Amma.
Namaste.
Yashastra vidhimusrudya vartate kamakarataha nasa siddhimavapnoti nasukanna param gatim.
Nasukham Kha Mahaprana.
Okay.
That's the only, but well chanted Mahodaya. The tune and all was very good. Just the Sukham Kha Mahaprana should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Next, Mark Anthony Mahodaya. Next verse.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Tasmachastram pramanante karya vyavasthitau jnatva shastra vidhanuktam karma kartum iharhasi.
Well chanted, Mahodaya. Few observations here. It is karya vyavasthitau. So the long letter is here. Karya. Here, let me show you in diacriticals. So karya, the horizontal line above A, that shows karya vyavasthitau. There is no long letter here.
Yes,
but it is only there for karya above A. Then jnatva shastra vidhanoktam. No again here, N-O, that is long. Karma kartum iharhasi. So maybe if you listen to the recording once more, it would be clearer to you.
Yes, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Again, really appreciate your dedication and the consistency with which you are practicing and learning. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam. Mohana Valambe Bhagini.
Namaskara Bhagini.
Namaste.
Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Daiva Sura Sampad Vibhaga Yogo Nama Shodashodhyayah.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Padma Narayan Bhagini. Please chant the introduction. Yes.
Thank you. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Shodashodhyayah Daivasura Sampat Vibhaga Yoga.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you. Next, first verse, Padma Parthasarathi Bhagini. Please chant the first verse.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Apayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Dhanam Tamascha Yagyascha Swadhyaya Yastapah Arjvavam.
Swadhyayastapa Arjavam. Just the words should be clearer. Swadhyayastapa Arjavam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavad.
Next one, Panishri Kavirayani.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ahimsa satyam akrodha Tyagashantirapaishunam Daya bhuteshvaloluptvam Mardavam hrirachapalam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Ravi Mulukutla Mahodayaha. Next one.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Tejah Kshama Dhrutis Saucham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivim Abhijatasya Bharata.
Uttamam Mahodaya. I really appreciate that most of you have got this rule correctly. Tejaha Kshama. So whenever Visarga is followed by Ksha, the Visarga is chanted completely. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Saurabh Mahodaya.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Dambho darpobhimanascha krodha parushyameva Ajnanam chabhijatasya partha sampadamasurim.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Next, Sridhar Mahodaya. Next one.
Namaste Guru Mata.
Namaste.
दैवी सम्पद्विमोक्षाय निबन्धाय सुरीमता माशु च सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव।
उत्तमं महोदय।
नमस्ते।
Namaste. Next, Shrivat Sankara Rao Mahodayah. Very happy that all of you have practiced well. Shrivat Sankara Rao Mahodayah, please unmute. Yes. Mahodaya, you muted it again. Please unmute. Shrivat Sankara Rao Mahodayah, please unmute.
Hello?
Yes, it's
Can you hear me?
now. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, please check.
Which one? Sixth one, madam?
Dvaubhuta Sargau, yes,
Ah.
sixth one.
Dvau bhuta sargau lokesmin daiva asura eva cha daivo vistarasya proktaha asuram partha me shrunu.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Very well chanted.
Namaskar. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadaha. Next, Sujata Koli Bhagini, next one.
राम राम भगिनी।
Ram Ram.
प्रवृत्तिञ्च निवृत्तिञ्च जनान विधुरासुराः न शौचन्नापि चाचारः न सत्यन्तेषु विद्यते।
Second line again, Bhagini. Na shauchan.
न शौचन्नापि चाचारः.
Shaucham. It is not sa, it is sha. Yeah, here na satyam, that sa is correct. But here it is shaucham. Sha. That should be clearer.
Shaucham. Is it right?
Sha should be clearer, Bhagini. Sha.
Chaucham.
Shaucham, yes. Maybe if you can listen to the recording and listen to yourself chanting, you will know the difference. Dhanyavadaha,
Thank you,
Bhagini. Shyam Prasad Mahodayah, please unmute. Shyam Prasad Mahodayah, okay, I don't know why I can't see your name right now. Okay, no problem. Yes, I can see it again. Shyam Prasad Mahodayah. I think you're unmuted now. Ram, Ram.
Yeah, sorry. Instead of unmuting, I removed my hand.
Oh, no problem.
Asathyamapratishtante jagadahuranishwaram aparaspara sambhutam himanyat kama haitukam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Just the same observation, all of you. The differentiation between sa, sha and sha should be clearer. So this is asatya, sa. Asatya mapratishtamte. Shtha. Note the difference. This is sha. Jagadahuranishwaram. Ishwaram here. Sha. So the difference between those three should be clearer. Here it is aparaspara sambhutam. So Ishvara and Sarvam, they have different shas. So that differentiation you must make it clearer. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Etam drishtimavashtapya nashtatmanolpabuddhayaha prabhavantyagrakkarmanaha kshayayam jagato hitaha.
So here it is etam drishtimavashtabhya nashtatmanolpa buddhayaha prabhavantyugra karmanaha. The short and long letters in between, there is some confusion. Kshayaya jagato hitaha.
Okay, sure. Dhanyavad
Okay,
Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. If you practice, you will get it. There were some mistakes here and there regarding short and long letters. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Umesha Anand Mahodaya. Next verse. Please unmute Umesha Anand Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः। काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहाद् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः।
उत्तमं महोदय, धन्यवादाः। Next, Upender Hasya Mahodaya. 11th verse. Please unmute Upender Hasya Mahodaya. Please unmute. Upender Hasya Mahodaya. Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible now.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
चिन्ताम परिमेयां च प्रलयन्तामुपाश्रिताः
Pralayanta. There is a dirgha here. Pralayantamupashritaah.
प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः कामोपभोगपरमाः एताविद्धि निःसृताः एतावदिति निश्चिताः।
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. So some of you, if you're looking at the diacriticals, whenever there is a horizontal line above any letter, that means it is a long letter. For example, Chinta, here A, above A there's a line. So Chintama Parimeyam, above A again there's a line. So that is a long letter. Pralayanta, so A, both these, if you see, if you listen to my pronunciation, Pralayantamupashritaah. So that is how you identify that it is a long letter when there is a line, horizontal line above it. Etavaditi nishchitaah. So I hope that's clear. It's a general tip for anyone following the diacriticals. Next, Venkata Subramanian Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Yeah, Ram Ram madam. Asha pasha shatairbaddaha kama krodha parayanaha ihante kama bhogartham anyayenartha sanjayan.
Few things here, Mahodaya. Firstly, it is kama krodha parayanaha, dvitvam, that is the double sound. So we should not chant it as kama krodha. It is kama krodha parayanaha. A slight k is heard before krodha. So kama krodha, double sound. Kama krodha parayanaha. And your mahapranas generally should be more clear. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you.
So now the list, I've come to the end of it, but let me see if I've missed out any names. If you've raised your hand later. Sundar Rajan Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Can I go?
Yes, yes, please. The 13th verse.
Okay. Idamatyamaya labdham imam prapse manoratham idamasti idamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Just one observation. Bhavishyati. Bha should be clearer. The Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam. Just seeing if I have left out anyone. Please send me a message right now. Adarsh Tadvai Mahodaya.
Ma'am, I have memorized.
Great. Can you chant the 14th verse, Mahodaya? That is Asau Maya Hataha.
Asau Maya Hata Shatruhu Hanishye Chaparanyapi Ishwarohamaham Bhuti Siddhoham Balavan Sukhi.
Just one thing, it is not Chaparanyapi, it is Chaparanapi. There is no ya in that word. Chaparanapi, not chaparanyapi. Uttamam, very happy that you have memorized. Wonderful. So please keep up the memorization. Dhanyawadaha, Mahodaya. Yes.
Out. Can you last?
Yes.
Yes. Shastram. That I am not able to find the difference. If that small cha is not there, like Yasma Shastram. What is Yasmat Shastram? No. So take out that cha.
It is Tasmat Shastram, Mahodaya. It is not Yasmat. It is Tasmat Shastram. Yes, yes. So there are two words there. Tasmat. Sorry?
What is the significance of that Alpa Prana cha? Without that also I am getting the same pronunciation. Can you show me that?
The thing is, like I was telling you, there are two words there, Tasmat and Shastram. So Tasmat Shastram Pramanam Te. Now it is becoming Tasmat Shastram by virtue of a rule of Sandhi. So there are certain rules when two words combine. Then according to a Sandhi rule, Tasmat and Shastram, Sha are combining and we are getting Tasmat Shastram. That is the reason why we have that Mahaprana Cha there. And before that we have that Alpa Prana Cha.
Ma'am, my doubt.
I hope that's
whether we'll be getting.
I got your doubt. It is because of the rule of Sandhi. We cannot, as we wish, we cannot remove Alpa Prana Cha, Mahaprana Sha by our own, by our own wish. There are certain rules of Sandhi in Sanskritam. So, and because of that, it becomes Tasmat Shastram. And the Mahaprana is only for the second Cha. The first Cha is Alpa Prana, and the differentiation is clear. Mahodaya, I'm sorry, we have run out of time. If you have more doubts regarding this, please email me, because I have to listen to others also who have not got a chance so far. Okay, anyone else? Surya Narayanan M. Mahodaya. Those who didn't get a chance, please tell me now. You can send me an yes. Surya Narayanan M. Mahodaya. Namo Namaha. Yes.
I read 15th verse. Adhyo vijanavaanasmi konyosti sadrusho maya yakshye dasyami modishye ityajnana vimohitaha.
Mahodaya, here we chant it as Ityajnana again. Instead of
Ityajnana vimohitaha.
Uttamam. Yes, Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. I'm just trying to see if anybody has not got a chance to chant. Mohana Sundararajan Mahodaya says, okay, let me just see. Yes, Mohana Sundararaj. Yes.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram. The 16th verse, please.
अनेक सिद्ध विप्रान्ताः मोहजाल समावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च.
Uttamam Bhagini, chanted well. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya did not get a chance, is it? Okay, let me just call out. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya.
Namaskara, madam.
Namaste.
Ahankaram balam darpam kamakrodancha samshritaha mamat paradehishu pradvichanto bhyasuyakaha.
Uttamam Mahodaya, I don't know if I didn't hear it clearly or whether you didn't chant it. It is Kamam Krodham. Kamam Krodham. Both have Anuswara there.
Yes, I said Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodam cha samshritaha मामात्मपरदेहेषु प्रद्विषन्तोऽभ्यसूयकाः
उत्तमं महोदय, पर्फेक्ट. धन्यवादाः. You please raise your hand. Some of you have said that you didn't get a chance to chant, but I don't see your raised hand. Geeta Atreya Bhagini, let me check. Geeta Atreya Bhagini, I don't see your raised hand. Anyway, I will unmute you. I will have to find each of the names if I don't see the raised hands. 19th verse Bhagini, please unmute. Geeta Atreya Bhagini. Geeta Atreya Bhagini, please unmute. Okay, I can't get, okay, I can't hear Bhagini. Okay. Anyone else? Request you to please raise your hand because I wouldn't know otherwise. Jhansi Bhagini. Again, I don't see your raised hand. Please unmute Bhagini. Jhansi Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram.
Ram. Yes.
Anaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman kshipam yajasram ashubhan asurishveva yonishu.
Asurishveva, dirgha. Asurishveva yonishu. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Lakshmi Ramabhadran Bhagini. Next one. Lakshmi Ramabhadran Bhagini, please unmute. Lakshmi Ramabhadran Bhagini. Okay. Sasi Viji. Sasi Viji Bhagini, please unmute. Okay, again not able to unmute. Nagaraj HR Mahodayah. Nagaraj HR Mahoday, yes.
Namaste ji. Namaste. Ram.
Namaste. Ram.
I'm the second person reciting for the first time.
Okay. Wonderful. Yes.
The 21.
Please. The 20th verse. Asurim.
Okay, thank you. Asuri yonimapannaha mudha janmani mamaprapyeva kunteya atonamtyadhamam
Uttamam Mahodaya. For a first timer, you chanted really well. Could you chant once more the same verse?
Asuri yonimapannaha mudha janmani mamaprapyeva kunteya tatoyamtyadhamam gatim.
Uttamam, your Mahapranas also are good. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Wonderful for a first timer. Perfect. G.S. Nageshwar Rao Mahodaya. Next one. Please unmute.
Trividam narakasyedam dwaram nashanamatmanaha kamaha krodastata lobaha tasmodetatrayam tyajet.
Yajit. Mahodaya, there were a few confusions in between, basically regarding the Rasva and Dirgha, that is short and long letters. I will chant it once, maybe you can listen to the recording and practice. Trividhan narakasyeedam dvarannashanamaatmanah kamah krodhastatha lobhah tasmade tatrayantyajit. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. There were a few mistakes in between the short and long letters. Like I said, once you listen to the recording, then it would become clearer. Sudha Raju Bhagini, please unmute. Sudha Raju Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
एतैर्विमुक्तः कौन्तेय तमोद्वारैस्निभिर्नरः आचरयत्यामनश्रेयः आचरत्यात्मनश्रेयः ततो याति परां गतिम्.
Bhagini, please listen to the recording and practice. A few errors in between. Please listen to the recording. It will be clearer. Next, Niranjan Saha Mahodaya. Please unmute Niranjan Saha Mahodaya. Please unmute.
या शास्त्रे विधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न सा सिद्धिम् अवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम्.
This is Yash Shastra Vidhimutsrijya Vartate Kamakaratah Nasa Siddhim
Avapnoti Na Sukham Na Param Gatim.
There are a few errors, Mahodaya, in between, especially long and short letters. Request you to please listen to the recording again and practice, then it would be clearer. Dhanyavadaha. I think all of you who wanted to chant have chanted. If you have not raised your hand, I wouldn't know. I can't find your name also. I'll have to search individually for names if you have not raised your hand. Okay, so I think most of you have got a chance to chant. Any other queries, you can always email me. No problem. Some of you said you couldn't unmute yourself. You can always chant next time. We will, as usual, conclude with the last verse of the Gita and Shanti Mantraha. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhutihi Dhruvani Tirmatirmama Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Thank you very much. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you all of you for attending. And next class we will be commencing the 17th chapter. So see you all next Saturday at the same time. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.